So first of all, we have to change as a solution. We have to change into frequency distribution theory. FDT. So FDT, this is the data. Okay? Data chain. We can say X is our data and F is our frequency. 1 occurs 1 times and 3 occurs 1 times, and 5 occurs how many times? 2 times, and 7 occurs 1 times. Finally, 9 occurs 1 times. Okay? So this is all our FDT tables. So after this, we're going to find the variance. So እዚህ ጋር ቴብሉን ላስቀምጠውና በዘመኑ ሰራ first of all xi እንፈልጋለን, then xi times fi, then xi minus x bar, this is a common, and finally xi minus x bar square, finally fi times xi minus x bar square. Finally, ከዚህ ምን እንሰራው ፎርሙላችንን so ፎርሙላውን ለማስቀመጥ ያክል variance is equals to the summation of fi x minus x bar, xi minus x bar the whole square over the summation of fi. Okay? summation በዚህ ፎርሙላ ነው የምንሰራው ቫሪያንሳችንን። So first of all, what is x bar? What's x bar? For frequency distribution table, x bar means the sum of the product of each correspondent data. 1 times 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 5 times 2 plus 7 times 1 plus 9 times 1 over what? How many data are there? 2, 4, 6. 6. So what's this? 1 plus 3 is 4, and plus 10 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 9, 13. 13 over 6, which is 5, okay? 5 is our x bar. Now, let's come to this one. This is our data. What's the data? 1. Then what's xi times fi? It will be 1. Okay? First of all, frequency ነው ማስተካከል እንችላለን። ባይዘው እዚህ ጋር frequency አንድ ፎርሙላ መጨመር እንችላለን። አንድ ፎርሙላ እዚህ ጋር this one is xi, this one is fi. Okay? And then ፎርሙላ መጨመር እንችላለን. This one is 1. Again, this one is 1. እዚህ ጋር ግልጽ ነው። እዚህ ጋር 1 minus x bar minus 5. Okay? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. 16. What's fi times xi minus x bar?